In this video you're gonna see all you need to know about how to do an oil change on this Mercedes W204 generation C-Class. At the end we're gonna see as well how to do an oil reset using this scan tool. Now on the engine you can identify the oil filter cap, the oil filler cap and the dipstick. Under the steering wheel we're gonna find the OBD2 port. Now the next step is to press well on the foot brake, and because we're gonna lift the front of the car, I'm gonna block the back wheel with a jack stand. Alright, so once the cover is off, find the drain bolt, drain the oil, replace the gasket, tighten it back and install back the cover. Now let's remove the oil filter cap. I've got this universal socket. Okay, so we've got here two O-rings. We need to remove and replace this. You will probably notice that they are extremely hard when you touch them. Then we have this O-ring here, which also needs replacement. Just find the right replacer. But usually the filter will come with these gaskets. Okay, so now let's install the new filter on. Alright, so I think I kind of found the right cap. I don't know if this is some sort of size, but these are the numbers on this oil filter cap socket. Actually the same size is going to be found on many other Mercedes engines. Now the viscosity of the engine oil will vary depending on the environment you are driving the car. The last number will indicate a higher or a lower viscosity when the engine is hot. Okay, so 5 liters are on. Now it's time to check the level. So it has to be in between those two arrows. Now the car is flat. I didn't run the engine yet, but I want to see with approximation. And it looks like we are a little bit above, but that's not possible because I didn't run the engine yet, so the level is not yet determined. Okay, so first you need to press this engine cover into those two bolts, then secure it here, and we get access to the oil dipstick there. Manual reset. We've got C-Class. You can only do manual reset if the car is older than 2004. If not, you just press auto reset. C-Class, we've got W204, and it's gonna do the reset itself. So yeah, job done. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the playlist. I've got a link in the description below with this car and the older car which has a very similar engine, basically the grandfather of this engine. Have a nice day, take care, and I will see you in the next video.